Hello and welcome to this tutorial for Worldpay eCommerce plugin for WooCommerce. Today we will talk you through the download, install and setup of the plugin. Starting from your Worldpay dashboard, here in the bottom left, click into Developer Tools. Here at the top, click into Developer Docs. That will bring you over to our documentation page. In the bottom left, click into Plugins, and then in the bottom right, click into WooCommerce. First thing to double check is all of the versioning. We've got the WooCommerce version, WordPress and PHP. First, let's talk about the install. So we'll click through the link here. That will bring you through to our GitHub. Right here at the top, you can see that we've got the WooCommerce plugin. Then on the right hand side, we can download the file. Next, we just need to navigate over to the WordPress dashboard. Over here on the WordPress dashboard, in the bottom left here, we see plugins. Hover over there. Over here to add new plugin, click this. That'll bring you over to here. Top left, upload plugin, and then choose the file that you just downloaded. And click install now. It will give you a message here to say that the plugin was installed successfully, or if there are any issues, they will also be displayed. Click through to activate the plugin. Great, and that will show you here. We've got Worldpay eCommerce for WooCommerce. Next, we're going to need to find the Payments tab in order to configure the plugin. In the WooCommerce, we'll go into our settings here, and then into payments. Here we can see Worldpay payments. Toggle to enable and finish the setup. That will bring you in the payment screen here, where we can start entering details from dashboard. The first thing we'll look at is the try credentials just here. We'll copy and paste our try credentials from dashboard. Over here in our developer tools, we have our API credentials. You can see try and live. First thing we're going to do is copy across our username and password. Just by clicking the green box next to the credential. We'll copy merchant entity, which you can also find on the developer tools tab just at the top here. And then we will copy our live credentials as well. Next thing to enter is a merchant narrative. This is what the customers will see on their statements when they make a payment. So now we'll write test. And we also have some optional text here, which is displayed to the customer on the payment page itself. Here we have the option to test these credentials just to make sure they're correct. And then at the bottom, we can save our changes. Great, and that has saved all of these credentials here, and the plugin would be ready to go.